Right, my name's Ryan, as you all know, and normally I would film everything on my Samsung phone. But the trouble I find is obviously my work's got more and more, and I haven't got the capacity of memory on my phone anymore. So I've decided to go over to a camera. So let's hope this video is a lot better for you guys, because I can edit this now and I can add things and do things, where before I just literally, I'm not going to lie, I'm very lazy with my YouTube, and I literally just edit it from my phone and chuck it on YouTube. Well, now times have changed. I'm now actually going to be a bit more involved, and I'm going to do a little bit more thorough videos. So you can learn, I'm learning, and you'll have to forgive me as I go along. So I can't tell if this film runs out, so I've got to learn so much about my camera as well, but we'll get there. So this video is about ripping out this bathroom, and I've got to rip up the floor and replace the floor and put it all back again, all nice and clean and new. So watch this video and all the others that I'm going to be doing, and stay tuned as I go along. And I think I know how to pause the camera so I can start smashing this bathroom.